Welcome to another video in episode 3 on the Supersport. It's been 6 weeks now, if I counted correctly, since episode 2, and if I show you all the work that we've been carrying out, and deliveries of parts, which is always nice. So we've got a nice new front valance and fixing kit for the lower lip, so that's all good. And the car is a lot more like a body you'd want to put some paint on the near side at least. So we've got the new outer sill, kidney bowl, sill strengthener, various panels fabricated around that area. Near enough concluded there now, all double checked and gapped. We've had both front wings off the car. Originally we weren't going to remove this wing, but as the job's evolved to make a nicer job and just the correct way of carrying out the work, we've shot the sill behind the wing, which means the wing had to come off. This wing was replaced 38 years ago by, I don't know who, but it was a Porsche approved body shop at the time. And when they took the wing off and put the new wing on, they didn't use the correct joining strip, which is, in layman's terms, it's a tape that allows the wing to be removed so it's semi-permanent. But they actually glued it on with a polyurethane sealant, which just made it fun and games to remove without destroying the wing. But we've done that. That allowed us to assess the inner wings. That are generally pretty good. We're quite happy with them. They need a little bit of preserving, but all good. If I open up the door and we come in there and have a look, you can see us looking quite nice now. We might get around to overlaying an image of before we started, but we've got various images of throughout the process. But we've got the B post, which I refer to as the outer B post lock panel, now set just on self-tappers at the moment, so that can come in and out. But we've set the location, set the striker plate, so the door will close every time and come on and off and not change. Sill strengthener's all good. This will have to be left just loose at the moment on the screws because we have actually got a new cable release tube that runs all the way through the vehicle and to the engine lid release mechanism. That's actually corroded away and it's like that at about this point. So that's on order. Fortunately, they're available, but hopefully in about 7 days' time that'll arrive and then we can can't get my words out. Hang on. Let's have a coffee. But we laid these out to try and give you some idea of the structure and how the panels layer over the top of each other. So this is the outer sill that obviously was removed. That sits on top of the kidney bowl. It sort of lays like that, and the rear jacking point sits underneath. But that's nice to have them off the car and replaced with some good solid metal. And then they sit onto the sill strengthener. And then the kidney bowl comes up and sort of laps over the top of the inner quarter panel. And unfortunately, that was quite mouthy. And that needs to be strong because that actually incorporates the seatbelt mounting point. So that's all been fabricated and that's all now concluded. We've got some nice solid metal in there now. So we're really happy with that. And now that we're at the point of almost concluding the near side, once the outer sill will get welded on this afternoon, and then we've got all our strength back, we can then turn our attention to the off side of the vehicle, where we have a similar amount of work. We're hoping not quite as involved, but we'll see what happens when we actually get into it. We're quite restricted on how much we can see at the moment because we've got oil cooler pipes running right in front of the sill, so they'll probably need to be removed. We know we've got a B post lock panel to change. Then when that come out, we'll be at that point we'll know whether we've got to do inner quarter repairs, whether we've got to do kidney bowls. But until we get into that, we'll obviously update you in a week or two time on that. But yeah, that's looking good. And 6 weeks ago, we pushed a button and we ordered the wing for this side, and we're pleased that we've just, it's not final fitted, but we've got it on. We've got some nice gap, and it comes nice with the scuttle. It goes nicely with the doors. So yeah, we're really happy. So hopefully you just enjoyed this quick little update. Yeah, and we look forward to pushing the project on and seeing you on future videos.